And welcome back. Retired Jamaica and West Indies all-rounder Marlon Samuels has once again found himself in the spotlight, but for the wrong reasons, after being charged under the ICC Anti-Corruption Code. More in this report.
Marlon Samuels was charged by the ICC on behalf of the Emirates Cricket Board, the ECB, for breaching 4 codes of their anti-corruption code for participants of the T10 League. The Jamaican was involved in the 2019 edition of the T10 tournament when he represented the Karnataka Tuskers but did not get to play a single game. According to the ICC release on Wednesday, Samuels was breached under the following offences under the code: a breach of Article 2.4.2, failing to disclose to the designated anti-corruption official the receipt of any gift, payment, hospitality, or other benefit that was made or given in circumstances that could bring the participant or the sport of cricket into disrepute. A breach of Article 2.4.3, failing to disclose to the designated anti-corruption official receipt of hospitality with a value of US $750 or more. Breaches of Article 2.4.6, failing to cooperate with the designated anti-corruption official's investigation, and breaches of Article 2.4.7, obstructing or delaying the designated anti-corruption official's investigation by concealing information that may have been relevant to the investigation. Samuels will be given a time period of 14 days to respond to the charges. It's not the first time the right-hander has found himself on the wrong side of the ICC code, as back in 2008 he was found guilty following a probe into allegations of links with an illegal bookmaker. Samuels was convicted after getting caught sharing team information in exchange for money with a bookie before the first ODI against India in Nagpur on January 21 of 2007. The allegations led to the ICC asking the then WICB to conduct an investigation, which led to his conviction and the subsequent 2-year ban. Cricket West Indies has since released a statement saying they are yet to receive detailed information relating to this ICC investigation. It adds that CWI remains firm in denouncing any such activities within the sport and fully supports the ICC Anti-Corruption Unit in their efforts to rid the sport of all corruption. The West Indies Players Association, WIPA, while not speaking directly to the Samuel issue, took the opportunity to highlight programs put in place to help players with their personal and professional development and help to safeguard the sustainability and integrity of the sport. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.